Hello all you beauty people and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So obviously you can tell by the title down below, this is going to be an Ulta haul. So obviously recently I went to Ulta and picked up some new goodies that have been either going viral, whether it's on TikTok or here on YouTube. But again, it's new makeup that has come out that I've been wanting to get my hands on. Obviously it's that time where, you know, sometimes you just want to spend money even though you know you shouldn't. But it's also that time when the Ulta magazine comes to your house and you're like, what do I do? Because it had a coupon on it. This month I had a coupon on it for 10 off 50. It literally just came to my house today, and your girl wanted to go to Ulta anyways because randomly I was on Ulta.com last night, or on the Ulta app, and decided I wanted to purchase some things, but I also saw stuff that was on sale. So let's just go ahead and get into this video and see recently what I bought. So, but before we go ahead and do that, you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and let's just go ahead and get started. So we've got this big bag right here. Obviously that is from my first trip to Ulta, but then I also had to do a second trip to Ulta because obviously in my city, or not obviously, duh, you guys don't know, but in my city we have two different Ultas. We've got the one out southwest, and we've got the one that's all the way out northeast, which is more towards our biggest mall, our shopping center. But in general, they both don't always have the same stuff, which is nuts. You'd think they would, but one of them has more high-end stuff than the other one does. So I had to make two different trips out to Ulta today because I couldn't put it all in just one cart to purchase everything, because obviously if you know the Ulta app, you can actually do in-store pickup, which is great, but if the store that you want to go pick up doesn't have everything, it will let you know on the app. So I was able to kind of switch back and forth between the stores to see which one had the stuff that I wanted, or which one had the more stuff that I wanted. But in general, I just ended up making two trips anyways because of this item right here. So recently Morphe came out with a new foundation. You guys, if you haven't heard about it, Morphe came out with the Morphe Filter Effect Soft Focus Medium to Full Coverage Foundation. Now this one, again, what it says, this is a long wear oil-free natural finish foundation, hydrates the skin and blurs imperfections for an ultimate soft focus look. It is infused, which is one of the reasons why I decided to get this foundation, is the hyaluronic acid, a skin soothing moisture booster, vitamin E, a powerful antioxidant, and then glycerin, a hydrator for a healthy looking glow. So those were like the main things that decided to attract me to buying this foundation. The first Morphe foundation that came out, which I do have in my collection still, I was not that big of a fan of because it was a matte foundation and dried my skin out like crazy. No matter what type of hydrating primer I decided to use or oils, it still always made me look very dry. But what was great with this new foundation that literally just hit the market, they were offering a free Morphe foundation brush that came with it as well. Now the southwest one is the one I originally went to, which is about this bigger bag, but they did not have the free brush that came with it. So the girl at the counter was so kind to actually call the north location to double check to make sure they had this brush. And since I was heading up that anyways to go to Costco, I was able to buzz over and just purchase these items. So again, I got this foundation, which actually retails for $20. I used the $3.50 off coupon, brought it down to about $16 with some change, into being a little over $17, and I was still able to get that free foundation brush. So I definitely want to go ahead and do a try on video with some of this new makeup, with a video coming up soon. So if you guys are interested in me trying out any of this stuff, let me know in the comments down below, and I will definitely go ahead and try and do a try on and a review for you. So then moving on, one of the other items I decided to get, this one is no surprise. It is the Morphe setting spray. This is actually in the Duo. This is the one that came out with the Trashily, I think, collection. It was like a holiday collection that came out during December, but they had the Duo pack, which is traditionally $20, and actually if you buy the setting spray by itself, I believe it's like $15 or $16. This Duo was on sale for $10. Now you actually wouldn't know in store because there's no sign, unless you were like me and you were shopping on the Ulta app or website that this is actually marked down to $10. So I love the Morphe setting spray so much. There's no way I was not going to go ahead and pick that up. Again, that's in the holiday, that was in the holiday collection, which is why it has a different packaging in gold, but still $10. So if you guys have an opportunity, please, please, please go to your Ulta, check your Ulta app to see if your Ulta has it in store, and go pick it up momentarily while it's on sale for $10, which obviously you get 2 for $10. That is a steal, because if you go into the Morphe area, you're not going to see it. It was on an end cap for me, so it is what it is. And like I said, today we actually got the Ulta Beauty magazine, which has a bunch of stuff in it. It has Alicia Keys' new collection in there. I'm kind of interested in it because it's all about skincare, but I have so much skincare I don't need it. But I was able to actually have that $10 off coupon on there because it's 10 off of 50, which is really funny. I forgot I had it in the car, and then when I was like putting everything together into my cart, or not my cart, into my basket while I was in Ulta, I actually put it at the counter with the girl that was helping me out originally. And I was like, hey, can I just leave this here for a second? Like, I have to go grab my coupon. She's like, oh, if you have it on your phone, you can pull up your phone. I said, no, it's not the traditional one. It's the $10 off one. And she laughed and was like, oh yeah, go get that. So I definitely went off and made sure to get that so I can save some coin, because I do have my receipt right here with me. In this total trip, though, I will tell you, I actually earned, let's see, base points that I earned was 59, platinum points because of 25% more, which was 15. I did go ahead and get some of my, I did claim some of my points on here, at least I thought I did. She said she took it off, but I don't see it on here. So I'm curious as to how I got to that total. Well, I think I must have. I don't know. I'm curious because I don't see it on here that it was applied, that she took the $12 off that I was supposed to have. I'm going to double check my app. Well, it says base points, points deducted and redeemed, which was 400, which is $12, I guess. And then my current balance now goes back to being 103. But continuing on to the stuff that I purchased in here. God, there's so much more in here. Okay. So with some of the e.l.f. products, I went ahead and purchased the new e.l.f. Putty Blushes. You guys know I've been trying to get into cream blushes a little bit more. And these will also be clutch during the spring and summertime. But I love, love, love the Rare Beauty liquid blushes. So these are kind of just right up my alley. And then I was able to finally find the putty brush that comes with it. So the Putty Primer applicator brush, you can use this with the Putty Primer, or you can also use it with this. Some type of brush like this will actually help out very well. But again, these were actually pretty affordable. And again, with the coupons and the stuff that I got, I was actually able to drop my prices down. But again, the two blushes I got this one, which is in a deep reddish tone, which is in Bali. The other one is more in like a apricot type of coral shade, which is in Turks and Caicos. And again, these are very affordable at your local Ulta. I forget what the actual price is on these. So the blushes are $5, which is super affordable. Or actually, no, they're $6. I apologize. They're $6 originally. And then the Putty brush itself is somewhere in here. Why can't I see you? Let's see. Morphe setting spray, Putty Bali, Morphe lip oil. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, the applicator is $6 as well. So again, very affordable for sure. And then I also did pick up a another eyeshadow quad. This one was in the green shade. This is in what is the title on this one? The other one had, oh, Hot Jalapeno is what this one is. Aren't these so much fun? And this is also $6 as well, I believe. I thought they were $3, but I think they're $6. If I am mistaken. No, this is still $3. So $3 for these 4 shades, which is really cool. So we did pick that up. And then a repeat item that I picked up again because I thought I lost it, but obviously I didn't lose it. This is in the Morphe 2 Glossified Lip Oil. I am obsessed with this lip oil. It is so, 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 so good. If you guys haven't had an opportunity to try these lip oils out, you definitely should. They give your lips a nice, beautiful shine, but also moisturize them at the same time, so you don't need a lip gloss. And depending on which color you get, which this is the red one, it gives your lips a nice little beautiful tint to your lips as well. So you should definitely go ahead and check that out. And then going into the next item, I finally was able to find the Essence Volume Boost Lash Primer. So my friend Sharon, Shut Up at Sharon here on YouTube, talked about this primer, told me I should definitely go ahead and try this out since I've actually turned her on to the CoverGirl Amplifying Lash Primer. So I definitely want to go ahead and give this a go. She actually recently just did a mascara declutter on her channel, so I'll link that down below. You should just go ahead and check out her channel. If you guys like my content, you'll definitely like hers, but she raves about this one, so I definitely want to go ahead and give this a go. And when I saw how many mascaras she had open, I thought having 9 mascaras was ridiculous. She had like, I don't know, like 25. I was just like shocked as shocked can be. So again, check out her channel if you guys want to see more beautiful makeup content like mine. So again, this was $4.99, so definitely want to go ahead and try that out. Then a few last items that we have to go through. I was actually able to pick up a mini size of the Marshmallow Primer. So they had it in one of those little end caps, not end caps, those little displays while you're checking out at Ulta. They had this there. I was actually very interested in trying this out for sure. This is actually $6. They didn't have the full size one anyways, but the full size one is $17. Like, I feel like that's a lot for a primer. So in order just to try it out, again, I got the sample size. I haven't heard many people say they were like that impressed with it, but again, I'd rather spend a little bit of money than a lot of money and then be disappointed by the primer and not being able to use it. Then the last 3 items I got in here, which super excited about. I believe these were $5.99 or $6.99 a piece. I haven't heard anyone talk about these, and these are brand new for Wet n Wild. I haven't seen them at Walgreens or CVS. This is the first time I'm seeing them, especially since Ulta has a very beautiful display for them. But also the Ulta that I went to, which was the Southwest one, actually recently just redid all of their drugstore displays all over the place in that section. So it looks amazing, looks beautiful, all lit up, and all really well done. But Wet n Wild came out with some new primers, and they also came out with this like Bare Focus tinted moisturizer. So first talking about the new primers that they had were these two. They also had a green tinted primer, but that one doesn't really apply to me that much. So again, we have the Wet n Wild Impossible Primer Base. This is the one silicone-free primer that does it all. So it's supposed to mattify, hydrate, and blur pores, giving your makeup a lasting stay on your skin. And then this one is supposed to be for yellow. This one says, skin looks naturally corrected and reflected as a crystal. The yellow color and color correcting filter brightens and corrects dullness for a glowing complexion with including vitamin C for radiant boosting properties, wear alone or to prep skin for lasting makeup. So this is what they look like. So really weird though. If you can see it in my lighting, I don't know if you can or cannot, but this is like halfway full right here, which is really odd. And I think the other one is about the same. So I think that's really odd that they only fill up the product about this much and down. Super odd, but again, you can't really expect much for drugstore. Then we also have the Wet n Wild Tinted Hydrator. This has hyaluronic acid and squalene for an oil-free sheer to medium coverage. So I'm super excited to go ahead and try this out, and I got it in Fair. Again, I haven't heard anyone talk about these. If you guys want me to do an individual video about this stuff, let me know in the comments down below what you guys want to see from me. Any of the stuff that you want me to try on, I definitely want to know. My battery is really about to die, so I love you guys so much, but you know the gist. If you like videos like this, don't forget this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell down below so you don't miss a video with me, your girl Sandra D, and I will see you in the next one. Again, let me know your thoughts down below, and my subscription videos should be coming up soon. So again, I love you guys so much because, oh, I'm so looking forward for Glam Bag X by Ipsy. But again, love you guys so much. I'll see you next time.